Uy, ang sarap oh. Guys. Super sarap.
Bakit hindi nakakuha?
Ha? Uy, ang sarap. As in, super.
Ano ito? 1 year ago na yata yun, no?
Hindi naman. 2 times a year tayo pumupunta dito eh. Originated in Kumamoto, Japan since 1968. Ito ba yun? Eh, ang ganda ng aking bowl, in fairness. Very crispy. Look. At saka ito, the best. From Japan. We travel from Toronto to Japan.